Hello everyone, CatWifHat Crypto here, and welcome back to another little video. Sorry about that. In today's video, I'm just going to go through the way that I distribute the NFT rewards. So, I need to change this actually to 8, because he minted 5 more NFTs. There we go. So yeah, basically, this is the NFT staking little spreadsheet I have. You have the CatWifHat from the fees, you have Catnip, and then you have LUNC from the Alliance module, and then you've also got the governance style stuff here. So this is how I calculate the rewards for the governance style, with like the voting power, and then the amount, and then etc, etc. So, then on top of that, obviously you have the amount of NFTs that are minted and staked. There's 152 out of 159, I believe. I don't know where the other like 7 are, but you know, yeah. It's just basically that. Pretty sure it's people who haven't minted and then just haven't been around for a while. So, here's the little CatWifHat fees on how I calculate it. So, let's start with CatWifHat for yesterday, Friday. So, CatWifHat. So I need the 20th. So what I do is I sort by the dates here, scroll down. So it wasn't many transactions yesterday. So what I do is 913123 add 49500. So 49.5 million 20048,269. So I basically just add all this up, and then I'll show you in a second. So the next transaction was 22,964,046. Add 120,591,692, 245, 285, sorry, 728, 309, 981, 164, 463, 4963, sorry, 578. And add 10,062, 527, 11,150, 741. So basically, I do this all manually. So yeah, it does take a while to do sometimes if there's a lot of transactions, but it's worth it. Add 42738. Where am I? 42738, 576. 112, 1102, 714, and 492046. So that adds up to just over 1 billion. How the hell does that add up to over a billion? Done something wrong here. Yeah, I did. That shouldn't add up to over a billion. Let me redo it. That 13123. Add 49500. 2248. 9. 2. 24. 85. 728. 309. 981. 164. 4963. 578. Yeah, it definitely wasn't over. Definitely wasn't a billion. So 10,062, almost there. 527. 11,150. 741. 20, 788, 988, add 42, 738, 73, 42, 738, 576. I usually don't have this much issue. I'm just recording at the same time so I can't concentrate. 492, 046, ADHD, am I right? So 617 million was transacted yesterday in CatWifHat. So you want to times that by 0.01 for the 1% tax. Add 6,177,831.92. So you go to the book, you then add that to Friday, and that adds up the rewards and adds to the distribution here. As at the moment, as you can see, the burns are disabled, so everything goes back into the project instead of being burns. This is to change soon, but yeah. So that's the CatWifHat stuff. Next is catnip. So I basically repeat the process for catnip. 20. So yesterday there was a lot of movement on catnip. So 64, add 2173, add 752, add 1468, add 183, add 178, add 6, add 240, add 238, add 119, add 23, add 94, add 181, add 178, add 7, add next one above it, which is 207, 190, 13, 9,900, 1722, 1390, 15, 2, and boom, that's that one. So 19,343 catnip was transacted. Times that by 1%, is 193.43. So you add that to the Friday dot, and there you go. 40 cents for the guy who has this. Oh wait, I haven't added up this bit yet. 1 second. Let me change all this. So boom. Add up all? It does. I was just making sure it all added up. So there you go. All added up. And that is updated. That's how I figure out the distribution. And obviously at the end of the week, I would then distribute the funds as it says here. So I would then send, let's say this is the end of the week, I would send 16.932334.65 out of hat to the NFT DAO to be distributed to the stakers. Boom. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the tutorial and a little glimpse into how the NFT stuff works. Peace.